In today's video, I'd like to update you on our channel. Something that's going to be happening, and I'm hoping that you're going to embrace it and that you'll find really beneficial. Hello and welcome back to the No Dig Norfolk Gardener. There's been much happening over this current growing season. As you know, it's been quite challenging in some respects with the cooler weather we had at the beginning of the year, and then again into May, June, and the beginning of July, interspersed with some hot spells too. But actually overall, our No Dig Norfolk Garden has performed really well. I can't think of too many failures. Out of the outdoor plots, we've had things like cabbages, cauliflowers, carrots. There are squash ready to be harvested at this moment in time. The soft fruit has done amazingly. That weather that we've had really has helped it. And we have done really well this year here on our channel. When I think back to January, we were getting around about 1,000 views a month. Currently, over 20,000 people tune into our channel every month. We also hit 2,000 subscribers back on the 6th of January, and we're fast going towards 4,000. As we head to the end of this year. And we just really want to say a really big thank you to you all. You have helped our channel grow, and many more people now access our channel every single month. And you know, one of the reasons why myself and Mrs. W actually started this channel off was because we wanted to inspire people to be able to grow, if not all, but some of their own fresh vegetables and fruit. We've had many years of experience growing, and we wanted to pass that knowledge on to you. Follow us each month, and like I say, we are just bowled over by the amount of you that either comment, leave us likes, and have left us comments like, oh, I've been inspired to do this. I've seen what you've done and I really want to do this. Now, myself and Mrs. W, we grow in Zone 9A. And, of course, a lot of you that watch our videos, you don't. So sometimes you have to catch up with things a couple of weeks later when it comes to sowing or planting, or even before. But what we thought we would like to do is to put a whole series of videos together that show how to grow these vegetables from seed to table. We'll be showing you how to sow these vegetables, how to plant them, how to grow them, and then right at the very end of the video there will be a recipe. Now, a lot of you have left lots of amazing comments and you've just said, you know, oh, I really love Mrs. W's recipes. Can we see more of them? And we want to be able to produce more of them because we know you enjoy it. We can see by the comments and by the views that we get. And in this new series of videos, how to grow from seed to table, right at the very end or towards the end of the video, Mrs. W will be cooking one of her favourite recipes for that particular vegetable. And of course, with fast approaching October, the nights will be drawing in. And hopefully, you'll find these videos inspiring, you'll watch them, and every piece of information that you need to be able to grow any kind of vegetable will be there in that one video. Yes, we will still be producing our videos each week, where we're sowing things, we're planting things, but you don't have to wait for those. You can watch this video and see what you need to be doing to be able to get these vegetables to an amazing harvest. Now, it's no secret that we are No Dig. That's the title of our channel, No Dig Norfolk Gardener. But actually, even if you're watching this channel and you're not No Dig, many of the techniques and the way that we grow things will work just as well for you. We know that by being No Dig, when we plant things in the first half of the year, they grow away really strongly, get away, and we get that harvest. So from February sowings, we have harvest in June. And that's really important for us because we don't have a huge plot. I know sometimes it looks really large on the screen when you're watching us, but actually it is just our back garden. So we have to be able to maximise what we can do in that space. And by being No Dig and getting that harvest in June, the first harvests, that enables us to be able to sow things and get the next crop in. Some of our plots, they could grow up to 3 different crops in the 1 year. Coming back to this new series of videos, everything will all be in one place. I'll create a playlist, and you'll be able to go to it. Have a look at them. If that inspires you to grow that vegetable, if you've not had a lot of success with that vegetable, hopefully, with all the information in one place, you'll be able to think, yes, I need to sow this now, I need to plant this now, this is how I grow it, and this is the kind of harvest I can get. We grow many of the most popular vegetables that somebody would want to grow either in their garden or on an allotment. Just because we grow in our back garden, and by the way, I consider myself very lucky that I can do that. These same principles will apply to your allotment plots. And hopefully you will get better plants, better harvests by the information that will be coming on these videos. Now, we should start releasing these during the month of October. So do look out for them. And if you're watching our channel for the first time, maybe you're new to gardening and you want to start growing things, and do make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then you won't miss these videos as they come out. And then at any time in the future that you want to watch these videos, you can. Pretty sure most of you will have an idea that, you know, we're going to be sowing onions January, February. But then what do you do from there? You can go back to these videos anytime you want. You don't have to wait for mine and Mrs. W's updates in our vlogs. You can just go to that video and think, yes, this is what I need to be doing. And of course, along the way, we will produce our videos, our vlogs, and you will see when we do them. But sometimes, you know, it's great to have all the information and not just some of it. You can see here that we have an absolute abundance of harvest from this polytunnel. So it's not just the outdoor plots, both the greenhouse and this polytunnel. They are all of new dig origin. And you can see they produce such amazing harvests. Try to cover everything on this channel as much as we can, from growing outside to growing undercover. But what I would say is that if there is something that you would like us to cover, if you have any ideas for videos, future videos, do leave them in the comments, because I do read them all. I pride myself on answering as many of them as I can. I'm sure I've missed the odd one along the way, but in general I try to answer you all as you leave your comments. Because it's not just mine and Mrs. W's channel, it's your channel. With nearly 4,000 subscribers. No, it's not our channel. It's everybody's channel. And if you want to know about something, leave it in the comments. We shall do our best to produce a video all about it, because we want it to be for everybody. And when it comes to the comments, you know, you may think that just leaving a comment is, maybe no one will read it, maybe nobody will not take any notice. But they do. I've seen many conversations that have gone on in those comments where somebody's commented on somebody else's comment, and then you all start to comment on that. It gives everybody great ideas. And those ideas are amazing, whether they be different recipes that you use. Mrs. W is always open to a new recipe, aren't you?
Oh, definitely, yes, yes.
We are not the be-all and end-all. We do what we do. One thing I have learned all through life is that there's always something new to learn. So do keep those comments going. Do keep giving us those thumbs up. We really, really do appreciate it. And as I said, if you're new to this channel, you're watching for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Then you'll see more of us, because you'll be informed by YouTube every time we upload a video. The more people that we can inspire to grow great food and feed yourself for as long as possible. And it doesn't matter if you only have a very, very small space. The fact that you've grown something means that you're getting great food into you. So do look out for those videos. They will be coming as from October. We're really excited by it. We've enjoyed making them, and we hope you enjoy them too. Whatever you do have a great gardening week. And myself and Mrs. W, we shall see you on the next one.